Now I'm going to go and I'm going to show you how to apply Cloud9QL at the filter level. What we did before was we applied it at the query level, which is great, but there are also many ways and many areas of the system where you can also apply Cloud9QL if you are an admin. So right now I'm logged in as an admin. I'm going to go to the filter, the widget filter, and click on Cloud9 transformation down here. And I'm going to do something with this data that I have here. I want this to be a data summary widget, which just shows me some summarized information. Right now it's showing me everything and I don't want that. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to do some additional Cloud9QL. So what I might do is select, in this case I might want to do the sum of clicks as click total for Costco, for example, where customer equals Costco. And I might put some date range in there as well, where date is less than or equal to. Now this is where we can use some of the Cloud9QL tokens, $C9 underscore today, and date is greater than or equal to $C9 underscore today minus, I don't know, 5 years even. So let's see what that gives us. Here we go. So what we've done there is we've used Cloud9QL to summarize the data within that data set that backs up this widget to just give us the click total for Costco. Let me put a space in there. Now I might want to do the same thing for another customer, maybe LinkedIn. To do that, I need to use the APPEND function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to then append. I'm going to do the same thing, but in here, I'm going to put LinkedIn. And here, it's obviously going to be LinkedIn. Let me see if we get anything for that. Here we go. So what did I do there? I took the underlying data from that original query. I cloned a widget, which is now a data summary widget, and now I'm using Cloud9QL, the SQL-like language, to manipulate the backend data to how I want it to be presented to my users in a summarized way. And I did that using the append function here. Each of these widgets use exactly the same data. The only difference being that I used Cloud9QL to manipulate how this is presented to my user. For more information on how to get the best out of Knowi, please visit knowi.com/university. Thanks for watching and see you next time.